Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main 16th of March 2021 Shift 1 question. Question number 11, regular basis question, and the question is also memory based. Question is in the house of matrix. A 3 cross 3 matrix is formed from 0, 1, 2, 3 a set. If sum of diagonal element of A transpose is 9, then number of such matrices is. So a 3 cross 3 is matrix given here. So let's suppose A is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This is A. So A transpose become, so A transpose is now row becomes column. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So this one is A transpose. Now the diagonal sum of the diagonal element of A transpose is 9 given here. Therefore sum of the diagonal elements are A square plus B square plus C square plus D square plus E square plus F square plus G square plus H square plus I square, that is equal to 9. Now the number of times it forms. So at first case 1 is arise here. So case 1 is if diagonal all the elements 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 1 1 1 1, sorry. So these are the three terms. So it could be happened factorial 9 divide factorial 9 ways. So it is 1. Now case 2 arises that case 2 is equal to, it is first one, let's suppose it is 3, so it is 9 and then 0 0 0 0 0 and the remaining one are 0. So it could be happened factorial 9 by factorial 8 ways. So it is 9. Now case 3, let's suppose case 3 is happened, it is, let's suppose it is 2, so it is 4 4 and 1 and thereafter it is 0 0 0 0 0 0 ways. So it could be happened factorial 9 divide factorial 6 to factorial 2 ways. So after calculation we get it is 252. Now case 4 is, case 4 what could be happened? So it is number 4 1 1, then it is 1 1 1 and it is 0 0, remaining one are 0 0 0. So it could be happened in the ways factorial 9 divide factorial 3 zeros and the remaining term is factorial 5. So it could be happened 5 0 4 times. So now the total formed in the sum of the diagonal element and then the number of such matrices. So therefore the number of matrices, total number of matrices is equal to 1 plus 9 plus 252 plus 504. So it is 7 6 6. So we reached option, it is our required answer, and option 1 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 11. Now moving to question 12. Question 12 says that a matrix A is equal to I minus 1 I iota, where iota is given is iota is equal to root over minus 1, and equation is given here, that is a to the power 8 into xy matrix, that is equal to 8 64. Then xy has 4 options given. So this is the question in the house of matrix also, and it's a memory based question, and it is the question of JEE Main 16th of March 2021. So let's try to solve this. So at first A is given, that is I minus A is given here, that is A is equal to iota minus iota minus iota. So this is given. So now A square is equal to what? This into this. So multiply this with this. So let's multiply this. So it become I square minus, so it is minus 1 1 plus 1 1 plus 1, and it is minus 1 minus 1. So it become minus 2 2 2 minus 2. So we write down just like 2 minus 1 1 1 minus 1. So now A square is that. So we should calculate A to the power 8. So similarly A to the power 4 is equal to what? A to the power 4 is A square into A square. So it is 4 into minus 1 1 1 minus 1 multiply with minus 1 1 1 minus 1. So that is equal to we should write down 4 into 2 minus 2 2. So it become 4 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. So now A to the power 4 is that, so we should calculate A to the power 8 now. So A to the power 8 is equal to, we know, A to the power 4 into A to the power 4. So similar process we get, it is A to the power 4 into A to the power 4 means when it is 8, it become 8, as 2 is given from this, so it become 8. So 8 into 8, that is equal to 64, and multiplied with 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. So multiply it once again, 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. So now it become after calculation we get, it is once again 64 into 2 minus 2 minus 2 2, that is equal to 128 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. So now A to the power, we know the value of A to the power 8. So the equation is given here, that is A to the power, so given A to the power 8 into xy, a matrix, that is equal to 8 64, a matrix. So multiplied with this one. So it is a to the power 8 is we should calculate the value above, that is 1 minus 1 minus 1 1, and it is xy, that is equal to 864. So now now multiply these two, so we get 128. So it is 128 and x 128, that is now when we multiply this one, so it is x minus y, and it become minus x plus, sorry, minus x, yes, right, minus x plus y. So that is equal to 864. So comparing both two equation, we get therefore 182 into x minus y is equal to 8. That implies x minus y is equal to 1 by 16. This is equation 1. And the second one is become 182 into minus x plus y, that is equal to 64. So that implies minus x plus y is equal to 1 by 2. So it is equation 2. So it shows that the equation 1 and 2 are the equation of two parallel lines. Therefore 1 and 2 shows equation of two parallel line. So we know, as the equation it shows the equation of the two parallel lines, therefore the system has no solution. So we reached, this is our required answer, and our option 2 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 11 and question 12. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.